we will discuss about the alternative mechanisms of different type of plants in response to the hot, dry, and bright days. Ya. Kalau hot, dry, and bright days, kalau C3 plant apa yang berlaku? Berlaku respiration. Ya. But for certain plant, hot, dry, and bright, apa dia punya strategi? Okay. C4 plant and CM plants will have a different strategy to fix the carbon dioxide, even though the climates ataupun the conditions is hot, dry, and bright. Okay. Okay, in C4 and CM plant, the carbon fixations occur twice because they will have this alternative pathway to fix carbon dioxide. Water respirations does not occur. Okay. So maksudnya hot, dry, and bright itu masih berlaku ataupun masih dialami oleh tumbuhan tadi, tapi dia tidak the plants will not affected by the hot, bright, and dry condition. But how? Macam mana? Okay, inilah dia punya mechanism dia. Some plant species evolve, They will evolve and has adaptations such as the alternative models of carbon fixation to minimize photorespiration. Contoh kita ada C4 plants atau juga kita panggil sebagai Hatch and Slake pathway, dan CAM plant kita panggil dia Crassulacean acid metabolism pathway. CAM it stand for Crassulacean acid metabolism. Okay, first kita tengok yang C4. C4, it's referred to the first molecule to form from the carbon fixations which is oxaloacetate. Dia punya first product dia adalah oxaloacetate, iaitu 4 carbon compound. That's why kita panggil dia C4 plant. Okay. Kalau yang C3 tadi apa? Kalau C3, apa dia punya first product? 3 phosphoglycerate. Nah, ini untuk C3. Kalau C4, dia punya first product adalah oxaloacetate atau kita panggil juga OAA, oxaloacetate. Contoh example of plants: corn, sugarcane, and members of grass family. Okay, jagung, tebu, dan juga rumput. Okay, apa mechanism untuk C4 plants? They will have 2 distinct type of photosynthetic cells, bundle shade cell and mesophyll cell. C3, ini dia punya bundle shade dia. C3 tiada, no chloroplast. Okay, C4 bundle shade dia ada chloroplast. Ada chloroplast. Gitu. Okay, contoh maize, jagung, sugarcane, tebu, millet, dan sorghum plant. So ini adalah example of C4 plants. Okay. Okay, the anatomy of the C4 plant. Kenapa dia ada pathway yang, why C4 plants will have this special pathway atau unique pathway? It's because of the bundle shade cells arranged in a tightly packed shade around the veins atau vascular system of the leaf. Kalau yang bundle sheet cell ni, between the bundle sheet cell and then the leaf surface ada more loosely arranged mesophyll cell. Okay. In C4 plants atau C4 leaves, mesophyll are closely associated and never more than 2 or 3 cells away from the bundle sheet cell. Mesophyll tu dia akan mesophyll dengan bundle sheet akan sangat rapat. Mesophyll cells arranged in the ring form around the bundle sheet cell. Both mesophyll cells and bundle sheet cells contain chlorophyll and undergo photosynthesis. So carbon fixation occur twice, satu di mesophyll, satu lagi di bundle sheet. Mesophyll berlaku Hatch and Slake bundle shape berlaku Kelvin cycle. Okay. Kamu nampak sudah kan structure of C4 plant tu macam mana? Ya. Ada dua type of sel yang akan mengalami photosynthesis, iaitu mesofil dengan bundle shape. Okay. Macam ni Dia bagi tahu tadi bundle shape dengan mesophyll cells will be closely attached atau closely arranged. Okay, dia akan membentuk macam inilah. Mesophyll akan attach dengan bundle shape. So inilah dia punya anatomy. So anatomy ni kita panggil sebagai Kranz anatomy. Kranz anatomy in which the bundle shape cells will be surrounded by the bundle sheet cell will be surrounded by mesophyll cells in the ring form. Bolehkah? Tengok dua sel ni bundle sheet mesti akan attach dengan mesophyll cell. Dan dua-dua ada chloroplast atau chlorophyll, dua-dua boleh berlaku photosynthesis. Bundle sheet adalah di mana tempat berlaku Kelvin cycle, dan mesophyll cells ni adalah di mana berlaku H and Slake pathway. Gitu. Lagi 5 minit 5 minit kita akan berhenti sudah. Kita tengok macam mana dia berlaku mula-mula the situations now is carbon dioxide tu rendah The concentrations of carbon dioxide is low because the plants are exposed to the situations. Sama jugalah situasi dia adalah ni lah, hot, dry, bright. Hot, dry and bright. So the stomata will be closed or partially closed. So bila stomata closed atau partially closed, carbon dioxide concentration akan decrease. Ingat untuk berlaku untuk berlaku Kelvin cycle perlu 3 carbon dioxide kan? Bila dia kurang, so apa akan jadi? Photorespiration akan berlaku. But in C4 and CM plants, photorespirations will not occur because of the alternative mechanism. So first untuk C4 plant. Carbon dioxide will be fixed by PEP carboxylase to attach with PEP atau phosphoenol pyruvate to form oxaloacetate. Ini dia punya first product dia. Itu step pertama Step 1. In mesophyll cell of C4 plants, the first carbon fixation occurs when the enzyme PEP carboxylase, ini enzim adalah PEP carboxylase, fix carbon dioxide to phosphoenol pyruvate to form oxaloacetate. So oxaloacetate will be the first product. Berapa karbon dia? 4 karbon. 4 carbon compound. Jadi kita panggil ini sebagai C4 plant. Next, oxaloacetate menjadi malet. Apa situasi dia? Oxaloacetate is then reduced, reduced to malet by reducing agents NADPH. Maksudnya di sini ni ada NADPH. Ada NADPH di sini Kenapa tidak boleh padam sudah ni? Saya padam balik mana tadi ni Di sini, step di sini tadi, ya, NADPH, okay, reduce the malate, reduce oxaloacetate to form malate, ya, step di sini. Okay, PEP carboxylase, compared to the, di sini Calvin cycle ni kita ada RUBP carboxylase. PEP carboxylase has much greater affinity towards carbon dioxide, ya. So sini kita emphasize enzyme PEP carboxylase ni high affinity towards carbon dioxide. Okay. Kalau Rubisco sini dia lebih suka oksigen, ya. Tapi situasi ini tidak berlaku sekarang lah. Okay, tidak berlaku sekarang, ya. Okay, within bundle sheet cell, ya, malate will enter the bundle sheet cell and then will undergo ni decarboxylation, okay, to form pyruvate, okay. Kan, malate undergo decarboxylation to form carbon dioxide and to form pyruvate. Pyruvate adalah tricarbon compound, ya. Ini di bundle sheet. Pyruvate will return to the mesophyll cell, ya. Pyruvate will return to the mesophyll cells. It will undergo phosphorylation to form phosphoenol pyruvate, and the cycle will continue. Okay. To generate this extra ATP, the bundle sheet cells carry out cyclic electron flow. Okay, apa yang istimewa di sini? Dia cuma carry out, ya. Bundle sheet cell carry out cyclic, ya, cyclic photophosphorylation. Kenapa dia carry out cyclic photophosphorylation? Untuk menghasilkan ATP, ya. To be supplied ataupun to supply the ATP to the mesophyll cell. Okay. Okay, ini carbon dioxide. Sekarang pergi mana ni carbon dioxide? Okay. Carbon dioxide will enter the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle berlaku macam yang berlaku pada C3 plant, ya. Yaitu ada phase carbon fixation, reduction dan juga regeneration of RUBP. Okay. So kita akan berhenti di sini untuk hari ini. So far boleh faham tak? Boleh, ya? Okay. Ini first carbon fixation, dia menghasilkan oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate undergo reductions, produce malate. Malate enter the bundle sheet cell, undergo decarboxylation to form pyruvate. Pyruvate will return back to the mesophyll cell and then will undergo phosphorylations to produce PP phosphoenol pyruvate. Yeah. Carbon dioxide enter Calvin cycle. Kalau dia sudah cukup, 3. Ya. Okey, ATP ni dapat dari mana? Dapat daripada sinilah bundle sheet yang boleh the photosynthesis in bundle sheet that carry out cyclic electron flow ataupun cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay. Dia cuma menghasilkan ATP. Okay. Itu dia. So that's all about C4 plant. Next class kita akan bincang ini CAM plants dan comparisons between CAM and C4 plants. So that's all for now. Thank you and see you again during next class. Don't forget to